idle isn't bouncing right now, but if you can hear and tell, the car is shaking, and EPC and traction light came on. Turn it off. Turn it back on. See that? Stall. This car is being ridiculous. I had to put my foot on the pedal for it to stay on. And now it's idle and smooth again. This is the time when you put it in drive and you can take off, and either it'll do good and the EPC light will come off at this point, or like, watch, I'm gonna do a little driving and then the EPC light it'll cut off in a second. Either that or it'll go back to running shit. And now see, what the fuck? What is wrong with this car? Oh my Lord, Lordy, save me. Something is really wrong with this damn car. Cause that's weird that you have to cut it off and cut it back on. And then it don't really want to start at first, so you gotta give it gas. And then when you give it gas, it like kicks back in type stuff. And then it's back driving. See, now it's got all of its power back. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm so lost with this car. I'm so lost.